In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Poly on Slack, whether you're looking to streamline feedback from your team or make decisions collaboratively. Poly is a fantastic tool to have in your Slack arsenal. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Poly app on Slack. If you've already added the Poly app to your workspace, you can simply navigate by searching for Poly in your direct messages. If not, you might need to add Poly to your Slack first, which you can do by visiting the Slack app directory and following the prompts there. Once you've successfully accessed Poly in your Slack, you're ready to make some magic happen. Next, you'll see the option to create a new Poly. This is where the fun begins. Click on the Create a Poly button. This action will open up a dynamic and user-friendly interface where you can start crafting your survey. Poly at its core is all about making gathering input straightforward, so don't worry, this process won't be complicated. After you've started creating your Poly, you'll be prompted to select a template. Templates are a great way to get started quickly if you're unsure about how to structure your survey. They range from simple feedback forms to more elaborate decision-making polls. Choose the template that best fits your needs. And remember, you're not locked into any presets. Feel free to customize the template once you've loaded it. Templates are just starting points, so don't hesitate to modify the questions or settings to better suit your specific requirements. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to write your Poly. Here you can personalize your survey or poll, adding questions that are relevant to your discussion or decision-making process. You can add multiple choice questions, open-ended questions, or a mix of both, depending on the kind of feedback you aim to collect. Writing a thoughtful Poly can foster great insights, so take a moment to consider which questions will help guide the conversation forward constructively. With your Poly written and ready to go, it's now time to send it out. Before you click that Send Poly button, double check your questions to make sure everything looks just right. Once you're confident, hit that button and your Poly will be on its way to all the intended respondents. Members within your Slack channel can now provide their input effortlessly, and you can start gathering valuable insights almost instantly. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully utilized